So I'm going to make some smoothie. I have my ingredients here ready. This is a baby spinach, and this is everything. Today I'm going to be adding sea moss into my smoothies. So this is the sea moss that I picked up from the organic store. As you guys can see, I just use a little bit. You just need a little bit because the longer it's soaked, it gets much bigger than it is. As you guys can see, it's getting more bigger and bigger. You have to make sure, if you're using sea moss, you have to make sure you wash it very properly because it's very salty and sometimes it does have some sand, so you have to let it soak so that the sand can sit on there. So when you're ready to use it, you just gonna grab the top. I love sea moss. Sea moss have 99.999% of all the vitamins that we have in our body, and that's the reason why I love sea moss. I really love it. I've been using that for a very long time. So today, but sometimes it's just a little bit headache to make because it has so much salt and sun, but I really love it. So today I'm gonna add it into my recipe. So while the girls are having their lunch, I am going to take shower first, and then after taking shower I'll make my smoothie, and then I can just sit at the backyard and get the beautiful sun on my face and make sure I have my SPF sun protector on my face as well. So stay tuned and I'll be back to show you guys how I make this delicious recipe. So guys, now it's time to make my smoothie. I've already washed my sea moss. I'm going to wash my spinach, and I'm only going to use one of this. I'm going to keep the one for later in the evening because I'm also going to make smoothie before bed. I'm just going to cut it into slices because then it's easier to blend. So whilst I'm leaving the spinach to soak, I'm going to peel the rest of the ingredient. Make sure this thing is properly closed. I'm going to start with my avocado. I'm going to use the whole avocado. If you're somebody like me who have difficulties in having breakfast in the morning, that's the reason why I always make smoothies. Just that today I'm a little bit late because of course it's Sunday. I was resting and I just wanted to chill, relax a little bit. I wasn't really hungry also because last night I had a movie night with the kids, and we eat late at night, and all the cake that I bake, so my stomach was kind of a bit full. I wasn't that like really hungry, so yeah. Just gonna peel the skin off. If you guys can hear the kids in the background, please excuse that noise. The weather is so beautiful outside. So now I'm going to have my smoothie, and then I'm going to have lunch. So I'm gonna have like a bunch of meal because I'm really hungry right now. So I'm gonna have like very good food. I'm gonna have like a balance. I don't know. I don't know. Like my mouth, I can't even pronounce. Balanced diet. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I don't know, for no reason the word can't just come out. Wash. And then I'm going to cut. Same thing when it comes to the sea moss. I'm not going to use everything. I'm gonna keep the rest for in the evening because I also want to make smoothie in the evening before bed. I'm going to take my spinach and my eggs. I'm gonna put all the spinach because I really need that, and I'm going to cut this one and also wash it, just get it ready for in the evening. So now everything is in. I'm going to add my milk, a full cup of milk. I don't know if I still have a hemp seed because I think my hemp seed is, yeah, my hemp seed is finished. My hemp seed is finished, but I still have this one. I'm going to take a teaspoon of this. And yesterday when I went to the organic store, I thought about it, but I wasn't too sure. I said maybe I still have, so it's no need to buy. So yeah, let's just blend. It blends so beautiful. This is my green smoothie. Oh, I love it. Do you guys want to take a look? So this is what it's looking like. Looks really delicious. So now it's time for me to just turn. I'm gonna put this into this container. The remaining one, I'm going to put this for the girls, so they're going to share it together. I have my straw. Voila, I'm ready. So now it's time to, I'm going to put this one aside. And I think the girls just finished eating their lunch. So I'm going to close this one and put it in the fridge for a little bit later, maybe like 30 minutes later, then they can drink this one. I'm just going to store that one aside. So while I'm doing that, let me fix myself my lunch. So I'm going to fix myself what I wanted to eat. Actually, I have cooked plantain. I'm going to put my cooked plantain, and I have my sauce warming up. hopefully it's ready. It's already warmed up. This is going to be the food I made yesterday. I have a bit remaining over, so I love the sauce that I made yesterday, so I'm just going to take that sauce. I'm going to add it. It's just tastes so good with this plantain. I'm going to leave the remaining one for the kids in case anybody wants to eat it. So, and I also baked some cake. This is why I said this is balanced diet, because as much as I love to eat healthy, at the same time, I love to eat healthy. I love to prepare my own things at home. And sometimes I love sugar and sweets. This is the cake I make yesterday, and I still have a little bit. I still have a little bit remaining. So I'm just going to add half a cake and my smoothie. Later I'll give the kids. I'm first gonna sit down and eat. Then I'll come back and consider the kids. So I'm gonna get my tray where I normally like to put my food. I'm coming. So guys, this is the finished result. So I'm going to sit at the backyard. I just made this beautiful my DIY couch because I don't feel like taking off I don't feel like sitting there on the bigger couch. So this is it. Hope you all like this video, and if you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Amifullest. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out.